everyone, Jamie here. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a month since I started the challenge fund, and in today's video, we're going to see which investment strategy did the best for the first month. And if you're asking yourself, what is the challenge fund? On February 28th, I started the challenge fund. I thought it'd be fun to take 4 different investment strategies and see how they did against each other in the stock market. So I took 3 YouTubers I watched, Graham Stephan, Jeremy from Financial Education, and Joseph Carlson. And then I also included a strategy for myself, which is more recession-proof stocks. When I started this, I put $500 into each one of these 4 different portfolios. And then every Monday, I put an additional $100 into each portfolio. And then every week, I give an update on how these portfolios are doing in the stock market. I did this so if you're thinking about investing your own money, you can watch my videos and see which investment strategy would work best for you. Whether that be an ETF-only strategy, picking individual stocks, picking high-paying dividend stocks, or picking recession-proof stocks. No strategy is really wrong, but this way you can kind of watch my videos and just see which one more aligns with your own strategies. If you are interested in investing, I do have a link below in the description. It is a referral link to M1 Finance, and the way it works is if you put in $100, you'll get $50 and I'll get $50. So that'd be a great way to support my channel if you're interested in investing. So let's go ahead and go to my computer and see who won the first month's fight. But before that, I have a quick word from my dog, Timber.
Hey, do my owner a favor and smash that like button and subscribe to his channel. Go ahead, I'll wait. Did you do it? Much appreciated.
In the red corner, we have Jeremy, the small cap crusader. In the white corner, we have Graham, the ETF king. In the blue corner, we have Joseph, the dividend destroyer. And in the yellow corner, we have Jamie, the recession wrangler. Let's get ready to rumble! Coming in 4th place is Jeremy, the small cap crusader. Come on, Jeremy, letting us down, bro. Anyway, his portfolio was down 0.66%, so not too bad this month. With the biggest loss coming from Oatly, down 21.7%, and the biggest gain coming from Facebook at 9.47%. So overall, there was 4 stocks that were down and 6 stocks that were up, so not too bad. We'll keep investing and see how it goes. Coming in 3rd place is Joseph Carlson, the dividend king. Next, we have Joseph Carlson. Let's see how his portfolio did. It was up 2.95% for the month, with 3 stocks having a loss this month and the rest of them having a gain. We did make one change to his portfolio as he got rid of Simon Property Group and added in Domino's. So we went ahead and made that change as well. And for the month, his biggest gainer came from Costco, up 11.66%, and the biggest loss coming from Home Depot at 7.52%. Coming in 2nd place is Jamie, the recession wrangler. Next, we have my recession-proof stocks. So let's see how I did. We had a gain of 4.43%, so not bad for the month, with 2 of the stocks having a loss and 8 of them having a gain for the month. With my biggest loss coming from Lowe's at a negative 10% for the month, and our biggest gain coming from Kroger at 20.27% gain. And finally this month, the winner is Graham Stephan, the ETF king. Finally, we have Graham Stephan's portfolio, so let's see how it did. So it was up 4.83% for the month, so that was great, with the biggest gain coming from the QQQ at 7.56%, followed by the S&P 500 up 5.29%. So there was actually no losses on his portfolio this month, so that was great. And this just kind of goes to show you that maybe, investing in ETFs is a lot less stressful, a lot less volatile than picking individual stocks is. Overall, the challenge fund was up 2.9% since we started. For the first month, we're up $80. So nothing too great, but hey, a gain is better than a loss, so I'll take it anytime. We're just gonna keep dollar cost averaging into this, $100 into each portfolio every week, and we'll keep seeing how it's going. So let's also take a look at how each index fared for the month. So the first one we have here is the Dow Jones Industrial. That was up 4.15% for the month. Next, we had the S&P 500, which was up 5.21% for the month. The NASDAQ was up 5.08%. And finally, the Russell 2000 was up 3.07%. While the stock market was up for the month, it did end in a THUD. In the last 2 days alone, the Dow Jones dropped 1.88%, while the S&P 500 dropped negative 2.02%, and the NASDAQ dropped 2.39%, and finally the Russell 2000 dropped 2.84%. So again, we were up, but it could have been much better. Let's also take a look at how Bitcoin and Ethereum did just to get some comparisons. If you're looking at alternative investments, let's just look at that. All right, it looks like Bitcoin was just a little bit better than the stock market at 5.54%. Let's go ahead and see how Ethereum did as well. And Ethereum did much better than the stock market, up 12.32% this month. That's it for this week's video. Be sure to check back next week to see how each of these investment strategies are doing. I'm almost at 200 subscribers, so if you could please subscribe below, I'd greatly appreciate it. Thanks so much and have a fantastic day.